All right, yogis, so I'm going to jump right into it and show you how to get into Revolved Bird of Paradise pose. It's a very tricky pose. Make sure that you're properly warmed up. Using the strap really helps to give you a little bit extra length so that you can do this pose a lot more safely. Please only do yoga poses when you know that your body is ready for them. If you feel any pain, strain, or pulling, back out of it. All right, so to come into this one, I like to get myself into a revolved crescent or revolved side angle here with a prayer. Strap can go in the top hand. Okay, so we're going to bring the strap in the right arm. This is my right arm. Then I'm going to bend the elbow behind me. See how now the strap is dangling? I'm going to really push my left elbow into my right leg so I can twist open, maybe pull my belly over the legs. It happens. Some of us have bellies. Okay, and then maybe you can grab the strap or your hands. From here, step the back foot forward, put all the weight into the back foot. Okay, lift your right heel, slowly push up. Push into that standing foot, which is your left leg. Lift the chest, roll the shoulders back so you're really opening up the heart. Extend your right leg, keep the foot active, both legs straight if possible. Lift, lift, lift. Then you can look back. So find a gazing point behind you, make sure you're breathing and smiling. And then release with as much grace as you can after you hold it for about 5 breaths. All right, so let me know in the comments if you got anywhere near getting in this pose. And if not, let me know what you feel is kind of tripping you up, like what's holding you back from it. There's a lot of moving parts in this pose. There's a lot of pieces of the puzzle to kind of get before you can get into the full variation. So I hope I can support you. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and follow me, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of these tutorials. All right, have a great day. Bye. Namaste.